You and I are still trying to bake no-knead bread in a Weber grill, right?
Right.
First version, mediocre results. This is version 2.0. Want to try this? See what happens?
I do.
Let's go. GardenFork, making things, making food. If I can do it, you can do it. No-knead bread ready to go in to this in here. I learned a couple things from the first video we made about this. We're going to try some new methods here. First thing is to start the charcoal. And then let me walk you through some improvements, and if you have some ideas, maybe we'll make a 3.0 video, because I don't really know what's going to happen here. That's kind of the beauty of GardenFork. Let's get started.
It's a mystery show.
Yeah. So let me walk you through my thoughts here. Originally, I had a pan in here to kind of keep the coals away from the Dutch oven, and what I realized is that this, turned upside down, will keep the coals away from the Dutch oven.
Ah.
Look in here. The vents on my grill are broken, so I just threw in a piece of foil to kind of keep them about halfway open. This was a street find, our little grill, and I'm just too cheap to buy a new one. So
foil street find too?
Foil valve adjuster. This is inverted here. Okay. Then we're gonna throw the coals in. Then heat diffuser, heat deflector.
What is it?
It's a cookie sheet.
Oh.
Heat deflector diffuser, and then the Dutch oven. Let me throw the coals in and we'll preheat the oven, okay?
Okay.
So those are all gray and nice. First thing I'm gonna do is save some of these coals for a special thing that one of my viewers suggested. Several actually did. My hands are burning as I do this.
You have a pot holder.
Oh, I have an idea. Hold on. Here.
Pour.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put that down. All right, so the rest of these I'm gonna spread on the sides. We're gonna do indirect heating in our grill. For some reason, I feel like I need to have more coals. I'm just gonna try and put them in 4 piles here, and there's not nearly enough, I don't think.
Do you need to take some back from your special supply on the side?
Let's just try this and see what happens. I'll add some charcoal to the little piles.
Okay.
Maybe I should make some more charcoal. What do you think?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, let's heat up the oven, all right? I'm just gonna throw this right in here without the heat diffuser, because I want it to heat up. Make sure you put the wire thing up so you can grab that. Preheat our Dutch oven, much like you would inside.
Is there a temperature you're aiming for here?
Well, inside I do 450, 475 in the oven inside. I don't think we'll get up to that here, but who knows?
Are you supposed to guess, or do you have a thermometer?
I have the laser thermometer.
Oh, right. It's in the back of your hat.
Oh. Yeah, there's a really fun video about how to get rid of deer flies. It'll link at the end of the show and in the show notes down here, and there's a deer fly on you right now. It was a lot of fun, and that's part of it. That's all I'll say.
It makes me really proud of you, that one.
Link below. This is a viewer suggestion. Now watch. Approximate the diameter of the Dutch oven. Okay, that's close.
You're gonna blind us. Oh, no.
And then link those together.
Wait, you think that's the diameter of that?
No, it's not, but it's close enough.
It looks like a crown.
Oh, I wonder how hot this is.
Oh, how hot is that?
It's 280 degrees. Not hot enough, but we got to get rolling here, so we're going to put this in.
Oh, it's not gonna work then.
Yes, it will. You know, the people in America's Test Kitchen who are very nice, everything turns out perfect on their show, and they don't preheat their Dutch oven on their no-knead bread. So let's see what happens. Second batch of coals. That's hot. That's a common refrain in this show, isn't it? That's hot.
Uh-huh. It's wobbly.
Oh, well, yeah. Now, this might not work.
Mm-hmm. How long?
The oven's not closed. The coals are keeping it from closing.
Can you put them around the side of that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Camping Dutch ovens have a rim built into the lid, so.
There you go.
And my eyes are burning. Half hour, take the lid off, finish the cooking.
Yeah.
It smells like bread.
It does. What do we see?
So we gotta get these coals off without getting the charcoal dust in the bread. You think I can do that?
Oh, you can. You can do anything.
All right, it looks good. Now we're gonna let this continue to bake.
Oh my God, it smells so good.
And I gotta go run an errand. So the camera operator will be in charge of taking this off the Weber grill.
I'm scared.
Should be easy.
Aww. I am going to put on a proper condiment. Here we go. We are opening. Ooh, it's pretty. Hi, Henry. Back to the bread. Ooh. Ooh, you might be pleased with that. Let me tap it. Isn't that what you're supposed to do? I don't know. So it's supposed to sound like? It smells awesome. What's going on with the universe, Charlie Pup?
I've been gone for a while. That's a long story. But they kind of set it and forget it. So here's what's going to tell us whether this is cooked or not, okay?
Henry?
If Henry will stop barking,
The tapping. Yeah, the tapping.
that should sound hollow and it sounds like a dull thud. This is still wet inside, I'd be willing to bet. But, positive side, it's not burnt. If you watch the previous video, I just spoil it. Okay, watch the previous video. The link will be at the end.
Aww.
I mean, the crust's okay. We could toast this. We'll have this for toast tomorrow morning.
Henry will love it.
But here's what I want to do. More coals, do this better, and see what happens. Ready? So watching charcoal get ready is kind of like watching paint dry. Instead of doing that, you could be listening to GardenFork Radio. It's my podcast. Information is below the video. Right, my princess? Hot. The vents are all the way open on the bottom. Boy, that doesn't seem like a lot of charcoal.
Oh, we've got some good acoustics going.
All right, the oven's going in, and I'm not gonna preheat it.
You want the paper sticking at the sides?
That's okay. All right, the vent holes in the bottom are wide open. These are gonna be halfway open. And we'll see what happens. It's been about 45 minutes. It smells like bread, but I'm just worried that I choked on the number of coals. Ooh, and the sheet metal thing, that was a cookie sheet pan, has warped. Here's the reveal. Well, that's not bad. Okay, now we're gonna leave it with the lid off. I've got the holes opened up all the way. A little like watching paint dry.
Success, Henry? Success?
Several hours. I just kind of walked away from it. I've been putting my hand over it and I'm like, is it done? Is it even a thing? I've been kind of kicking myself because this is a Sisyphusian endeavor, perhaps? That's a big word. But that's not bad.
No, but the others haven't looked bad either.
All right, but thermometer test, that will tell us, okay? We want 210, 210.
Wait.
That's great.
And how long does it have to be at 210? Do you know?
No. I just know they're supposed to be 200, 210. But look, it's not burnt.
It's here on the bottom of the other one, definitely. Oh, nice. So we have shades of brown this time.
All right, stick around for the taste test. My hand is burning. Okay.
You're good at that.
Just like in the baking shows. Oh, nice crumb, huh? I tried to melt some butter, so instead of spreading it, I'm just gonna dip it, because bread and butter is a delicious thing. This is an example of done is better than perfect. It's not perfect, it's pretty darn good. It tastes good, and I kind of overcame my charcoal grill averseness. So why don't you and I continue our time together here? There should be a video flying right here. Eric, DIY, food, bread, boats, who knows what's gonna come out next, you know?